Hi, my name is NAW. I'm a student in ACLC Macau, which is under EMA education system. I'm taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Computer Education.
This is my analysis and reflection on the documentary Our Planet, Our Business. In this century, we humans have become the greatest threat to our planet Earth. The forest can keep itself alive for a very long time. Even the death of some plants could bring life to many other species. However, what we humans are doing until today destroys the forest. Our Planet, Our Business. This documentary was created to encourage the business owners to take part in restoring the earth before it is too late. This is not only a concern for business sectors, but also concerns for all human beings in our planet. This is a serious problem that we must not take for granted. Technology is fundamentally changing the way we live, work, relate to one another, and to the external world. We all know that technology can do some wonderful things. However, there is also the negative impact of technology on the environment that we cannot fail to consider. These everyday technologies have come at a cost to the environment. These and other modern technology device and present concerns regarding resource use, energy use, carbon footprints, and waste. Toxic techno-trash, also called electronic waste. Techno-trash that ends up in landfills is full of toxic chemicals, materials, and metals that can leak into the ground and ultimately get into the groundwater. And they contain the water we drink, the plants we eat, and the animals that live around the area. Carbon emissions. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are greenhouse gases that produced by people. Greenhouse gases trap heat and make the planet warmer. Carbon emissions get released into the atmosphere from the transportation sectors, electric powers, and greenhouse gas emission. As we see the effects of the actions of humanity in the past years, we are now scrambling to find new ways to save the planet, and one of them is to develop new technology which is going to reduce the impact on the environment, example like electric cars and renewable energy. Research has shown that electric cars are better for the environment and less polluting. However, to produce their electricity, we still need to burn fossil fuels in some places. Still, they emit fewer greenhouse gases and air pollutants than petrol or diesel cars. Renewable energy, often referred to as clean energy. It is also being known as one of the important ways to help the environment. The source of solar energy, the sun, is nearly limitless. Solar energy decreased greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the demand for fossil fuels, and also electricity produced by solar panel is clean and renewable. As I mentioned before, protecting our planet Earth is not only the concern for business sectors, but also all human beings. Environmental pollution cannot be pinned on a single country or individuals. We all have been participating in it, directly or indirectly, and we all certainly won't be able to change it back to normal in a day, but little effort every day can lead to a big change. There are many ways to improve the condition of the environment. I tried to help the best I could by not littering around, recycle or make something different out of it, and only purchasing what I need. Simply buying more because of tempting offers or discounts will actually cost us and the environment more. By purchasing only what you need, you reduce the amount of waste generated and pollution. It is our moral responsibility to coexist with the amazing diversity of life we share the planet with. Young people have a huge role to play in creating a more sustainable world. After all, they are the environmental leaders of tomorrow. Even though you are young, remind yourself that every one of us has a role to play. Climate change is scary, but we can't let our fear or our age prevent us from acting. Being young doesn't stop you from talking about the issues that are important to you and coming up with ideas to solve them. There is a lot of power in young ideas, so I urge you to speak out more and take an active part in solving climate change issues. Embrace sustainability in your day-to-day life. You can bring climate change consciousness into your day-to-day routine by recycling, reducing your plastic waste, riding your bicycle instead of taking a car. There are consequences to all of our actions, and even this small behavior change can radiate outwards and help the world a better place. As a young star, it can be hard at times, but remember, there is so much you can do with your pure energy and visions for a sustainable future. Share your passion for climate action with people around you. When we work together, we really do have the power to change things for the better, one step at a time.